Hello everybody, welcome to Davey G Lofts. Welcome to the Kuiper Harbour. My first toss of my birds, my young birds. There we are here, lovely chubbly. And here we are up here. There's 8 birds altogether. Let me see. We've got one, 2, 3, 4 young birds, and 1, 2, 3 old birds, and one with no ring. Anyway, just arrived. Let them settle for a second. They seem to be quite settled. Now hang on a minute. Let's have a look. I set the tachometer before I left. How many Ks we got? How many Ks? 2 Ks. 2 kilometers. That's not very far. They should be okay. I'm just thinking, well, I'm just hoping that the younger ones get back anyway. There's no speed involved. But here we go. What time is it now? I don't know what time it is. Shit. But anyway, it's time to let them out. Good pidgeys. Hello, darlings. Yeah. Take it easy. Take it easy. Hello. Take it easy. Go on then. Oh, have a ruffle fluffle. He said, where am I? Come on. Here they go up there. They're heading in the right direction. They certainly is. There they go. There they go. They're going to be back before I will. That's for sure. Anyway, thank you everybody for having a look, and get back to you a bit later. Let you know that they've come back. Choice, shout out TTR, shout out Little Lofts, Little Loft on the Hill, Little Loft. Okie dokie. Cheerio.